episode.
Freaking video.
I can't do all that. But okay, we did a lot of Christmas shopping and we forgot the main thing, the Christmas tree. We was like, wait, we got all the kids, but where we gonna put it under? So we ordered a Christmas tree from Amazon. We just got it yesterday. We got some lights. We got some snow. We got some snow.
It's not snow.
Yes, it's snow. And then we got a Christmas star.
You go on the top of it.
This is how we're gonna start it.
So guys, let's get started. Hey man, cut my Christmas tree. Take your time. Don't push a knife too far, babe. I think you're cutting something. You better wipe the knife.
No, the box, buddy.
Buddy, knife in your hand, buddy. Woo!
No, we're gonna need that box. Oh, you see this one.
Yeah.
Oh, cut the bottom.
Hey, Christmas time is for respect and love. Be nice. Hey, remember, one hand is dumb, remember. And look how David's gonna spoil Christmas now.
What?
If you ever let my Christmas tree drop out.
Don't go do that.
Oh my God.
Grab the tree. You got the fast time on this part. 2 hours later. Damn, here's why you dropped the tree, Jody. You can never cut a box of Jody. She wanna drop everything. She can't make it out. She weak.
Too heavy.
Get your weight up.
Uh-oh. You can't eat that up neither.
Let me cut it. That's one.
Let's put this aside, guys. We got some other stuff from Macy's.
Let's go. You finish the tree first and then everything else.
Okay, ready. What is husband good for? Standing out
Yeah,
here.
give me the knife. You're not doing that.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's just that. Wait, Jody, wait, Blair.
It itches. Oh my God, it itch. They told me to wear gloves.
What is this? Oh, okay. A, B, and then C, and then D.
Which one is A? There must be a shorter one. I think that one inside is the shorter one. Oh, you look under it?
No, it says please remove, but you see the bottom of it? That one looks like the bottom.
Yeah, this looks the big part is bottom.
Yeah, I think that is.
I don't know. It itches. Look. Sorry.
Put it up. Put it up.
No, bro, I'm good.
I gotta sit.
Guys, the Christmas tree itches. Oh my God, it itches, man.
I'll be right back. Hold on, I'll sit down. Let's see this quick.
Give it to me.
Hold this.
I'm
I got
faster than
this.
you.
I got this.
See when your husband don't listen?
There's another one there. Another little. Look.
Guys, it's a disaster. We can't do it. Let's see, my husband got luck.
Now we're gonna open them.
So which one is this?
I don't know.
Is this A, B?
I don't know. We're gonna just open it and we'll put the biggest to the smallest going up.
Damn. It is. You should have a glove, man. It's not. It's, babe, it's your first Christmas tree?
No, I had one, but then my mom always did it. With my father first, so it was alright.
Well, in Jamaica, we didn't have, I'm not gonna lie, in Jamaica, I didn't have Christmas tree. We didn't have Christmas tree, my family.
Nothing wrong with this Christmas tree though.
Nothing wrong with
Why is
Christmas
it
tree.
like that?
In Jamaica, we use the tree outside and then put pepper lights on it. Excuse me, sir.
Oh no, you gotta 3 times, you have to put it in 3 times.
It's a big Christmas tree, guys. And my husband not helping. No, but we gotta put it in here first.
No, I just gotta put, alright.
Let's see. There you go. One piece.
Then
And you're gonna open it.
but I don't know if that's the right piece. I know that's the.
Where the bottom part you took off.
I know that's. No, but I don't see that this is a piece removed. I know that's the last piece.
Yeah, the last
That's the
piece is
smallest one. But then.
Please remove. It's broken. Hey, get down on it.
Do you need help? You get nothing on there, yo. It just stinks. Come on. Come on. Look, come on.
What?
Come on,
Hey,
yo.
you can't put the Christmas tree up and don't have no fun.
It stinks. Come on, it just stinks, yo.
Its things are itch.
It stinks.
Break it down, break it down. Break it down, break it down.
I can't never do nothing with you because you be bugging out. Yo, come on.
Babe, Christmas time is laughter.
I want to go to sleep.
Hey, let's play church. Oh! Alright, let's go. See, I've got my husband, guys. See?
Okay.
Mine's at my finger stuck in this.
Damn.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, baby.
Don't fall.
I'm not gonna fall.
You're gonna go straight on your face. Alright, we'll go back, go back, go back.
See? See? You want to put it right here. Move it more over there. No. That's why you gotta screw it. Oh, now I gotta put the thing inside.
Thing inside? You gotta put the thing inside? Put it inside. I hope you find the right hole.
Hey.
Guys, we're struggling.
Okay. Hey, dancing. You screw the other side, right?
Okay, it's teamwork. So guys, we're going in with the screw. We try to find
Remember,
the hole.
right is tight, left is loose.
Shut up, I'm a carpenter. Guys!
3 hours.
So guys, right now we're trying to open the branches. So first time doing it's my first time. I'm not gonna lie, it's my first time having a Christmas tree. So yes, guys. So guys, we're trying to put the top on. We're still at it, opening the branches for our tree. But it's giving us a little bit of a challenge here. It itches so bad, I feel like I just want to run and leave it. So guys, it took me like roughly 2 hours to do this from top to bottom, guys. It took me roughly 2 hours.
First of all, no, I helped you too.
No, you didn't. So now, guys, I'm gonna put these
Lights go, and then that.
lights.
Yes.
Action. Okay. Alright, give me the phone.
So guys, Jody and I did the tree, you know.
No, guys, he didn't help me at all. So stop lying. Stop.
Hey, we the Christmas spirit, right?
Okay.
So now we're gonna put some magical lights that makes play the songs of the Christmas songs. Like I'll tell you one, Silent Night, Jingle Bell, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, and the 12 Days of Christmas. And okay.
So guys, we're about to take the lights off this little rack. Put it out, man.
No, stop, wait. Wait, bro, what?
Put it off, guys. Okay, and then we're just gonna wrap it around. Take your time before something.
I think we need another one. If you want to pick a 7 feet tree.
We're gonna wrap it around the Christmas tree, guys. And this is the kind of bright light. It's not the colored light. So it's gonna sing song all day. No, we're not gonna run it through the day, because you know, when Christmas bill come up, when Christmas light bill comes up, I don't want to see it. So we're on a budget. So
You need another one.
So guys, I'm opening the bowl. It's our, oh my God, I'm in love. I'm in love with the quote. So guys, we have gold bowl and we have silver here.
So how are we gonna use it, Jody? Cause I never did a bowl on a Christmas tree. So
okay, I'll do it.
you gonna make a tree? You gonna make a you gonna make a bowl, or you wrap it around the tree?
Wrap it around the tree.
Okay.
So guys, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit closer. Is it recording?
Yes. And the food is the same.
So guys, this is it. This is gold. Uh-oh. David spoiled Christmas. And this is silver. So guys, I'm gonna show you how it looks when I'm finished. So continue watching, guys. Bye, guys. So guys, we are finished setting up our Christmas tree. So now we are going to show you guys the finished product.
And the tree fell, so it looked a little bit messed up, but hey, it
You
still
lying.
works.
Why you lying? So guys, let's show you. So guys, we are finished decorating our Christmas tree. David, what do you want to say?
I want to say thank you for watching all the hard work I did. I'm tired.
Oh, the hard
I'm
work you
tired.
did? Oh my God, David fell asleep on the couch.
I'll catch y'all later, guys. Like I always say, y'all part of the family, DJ family. Don't forget to hit the like button to make sure you can watch the next future videos, notifications, put some comments, and we'll get back to you the best we can. And we love each one of y'all. And Merry Christmas. We might do a giveaway in January, but we can't do one in December because all the gifts we spend and the tree we bought. But yeah. So I wish you all the best and Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year when it comes.
And we'll do another video on that.
Okay guys, so we're gonna end with some hugs and kisses.